Good noon, my dear students. How are you today? I hope you are all well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty God. My dear students, I am your Poppy Madam, Assistant Teacher, SM Model, GOPT Primary School, Gopalganj Sodor, Gopalganj. My dear students, today I am here again to take an English class from class 1. So, my dear little learners of class 1, please join with me. হ্যাঁ, ছোট্ট সোনামণিরা, যারা তোমরা প্রথম শ্রেণীতে পড়ো, কি আছো তো আমার সাথে ক্লাসে? চলো আমরা প্রথমে কিছু সুন্দর ছবি দেখি। Do you want to see with me the beautiful pictures? Let's see some beautiful pictures. My dear students, what is it? What can you see in this picture? Can you tell me? Can you guess? Have you seen it anywhere? Yes, my dear students, it is one kind of shirt. My father wears many times to go any occasion. We can call it coat. It is a picture of coat. Coat is a one kind of beautiful shirt. The another picture is one kind of bowl. Do you see it? Do you use it in your home? Does your mother put anything in that kind of bowl? Yes, my dear students, it is a one kind of bowl, but we can call it pot. Pot. It is a pot. You have seen many pot. For example, tiffin pot, hot pot. Yes, it is a pot. We can put many things, many foods in the pots. My dear students, this is an interesting pictures. Here, a little child. But can you guess what is it? What is she doing? Why is she standing here? What can we call it? Yes. I have younger brother. Do you have any little brother or sister? When your mother will work or worked in your home, then your mother puts your younger brother or sister here. Can you tell me what is the name? Yes, this is a cot. Cot, my dear students, cot. Cot is a small bed where child are kept. Here we can see another picture. Do you see it? Do you use it in your home? Can you tell me what is the name? Yes, my dear students, my mother or your mother puts rice or fish in it. Yes, you are right. It is a picture of dish. It is a picture of dish. We can put many things in the dish. My dear students, here we can see some another beautiful pictures. Where can you see in this furniture? Where can you see? Can you tell me what are the names? These are common furnitures we use always in our home. Also in our school. You maybe see it in your home. Yes, this is a wonderful table. You have dining table, reading table in your home. And in your school, you have desks or you have table. This is a picture of chair. Here we can sit. We always sit on the chair. My dear students, here you can see another important picture. You can call it, you know, it is same table, one kind of table, but we can call it desk. In the kitchen, we put many things. গ্যাসের চুলা, ওভেন, ডেস্কের উপরে আমরা কিন্তু রাখি, তাই না? এটাও এক ধরনের টেবিল। My dear students, here you can see a beautiful picture. Can you tell me where does your father keep his dresses? Where does your mother keep her shari and your dresses? Where? Yes, my dear students, we have it in our home. We can call it almirah. আমরা কিন্তু আলমারিতে সুন্দরভাবে জামা কাপড় গুছিয়ে সাজিয়ে যত্নে রাখি, কি তাই না? মা হোক, বাবা হোক, তুমি বা আমি আমাদের সবারই কাপড় চোপড়গুলো যত্নে গুছিয়ে রাখি। সো ইট ইজ এ পিকচার অফ আলমিরা। My dear students, here please look at the picture attentively. There is a place. Here we can see many furnitures, many things. Here is a desk, a cot, chair, table, and a almirah. Where can you see such kind of materials or furniture or things? Can you tell me? Where can you see? Have you seen? Do you think, is this a classroom? In our classroom, We always see some benches, desks, chair, board. But do you think, is this your classroom? Is this a room? Can you understand? Where can we see such kind of furniture, materials, things? Yes, my dear students, I know you all understand. It is a room. My dear students, in our house we have many rooms. Dining rooms, kitchen, drawing rooms, bedroom, and we have also seen or also see many rooms in our school, but those are our classroom. It's a room. Here are many things. So, আমার ছোট্ট সোনামণিরা, today we will learn about the lesson in the room. Today's lesson is in the room. Today's lesson is in the room. Please open your English book, Unit 23, page nong 46. তোমাদের সাথে তোমাদের ইংরেজি বইটা আছে তো? হ্যাঁ, আমি জানি সবার সাথেই তোমাদের ইংরেজি বইটা আছে। My dear students, here in few minutes ago we have learned about coat, pot, cot, dish. হ্যাঁ, আমরা এই শব্দগুলো কিন্তু ইতিমধ্যে এই শব্দগুলোর সাথে পরিচিত হয়েছি এবং আমরা জানিও, কি তাই না? Next, here we see chair. That means chair. Table, desk, almirah, cot. This is chair, table, desk, almirah and cot. There is also a pot. My dear students, now I will repeat this and you will follow me. You will pronounce the word. Okay? What is it? What is it? It's a coat. It's a coat. Coat means one kind of shirt. This is made gorgeously, for occasionally it is used. What is this? This is a coat. Please follow me. It's a coat. It is a coat. Here, my dear students, what is it? What is the picture about? In a few minutes ago, we have learned about those pictures. We all see it in our home. Yes, my dear students, you are right. It's a pot. It's a pot. This is a pot. Pot is one kind of bowl. Pot, patro, where we put many things. My mother uses pot in her kitchen. We put various kinds of things in the pot. My dear students, again the beautiful picture. You know, it's a, what is it? Can you pronounce? Yes, you can do it. It's a wonderful cot. Cot is a small bed where childs or babies are kept. It's a cot. This is a cot. Cot is a small bed which are always using for baby. A small bed with high bed for a baby. It's a cot. My dear students, what is this? What is this? I know. Now we can all tell me the name. What is this? This is a wonderful dish. Dish. Dish আমরা বলি থালার মতোই, থালার মতো আকারের dish. Dish where we put many things. We put foods in the dish. Dish is a one kind of bowl. Bowl. This is a dish. Dish. Please notice the pronunciation, my dear students. Please listen to me. This is a dish. This is a picture of dish. Dish. My dear students, here we can see the picture with the name. Please follow again with me. This is a coat. 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 This is a coat. It's a pot. 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 It's a pot. This is a cot. 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 It's a dish. 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 My dear students, now you will tell the names. You will tell the names to see the pictures. এখন কিন্তু তোমরা ছবি দেখে দেখেই নামগুলো বলবে। কি পারবে তো? I know you all can tell it. What is it? It's a coat. What is it? It's a pot. What is it? It's a pot. What is it? It's a dish. What is it? It's a chair. And then what is it? Yes, it's a almirah. My dear students, দেখি তো আমরা ঠিক বলেছি কিনা দেখি coat, pot, cot, dish, chair, almirah. Yes, you are right. আমার ছোট্ট সোনামণিরা তোমরা অনেক ভালো দেখেছো তো আমরা বলতে পারি ইটস এ কোট পট কট ডিশ চেয়ার আলমিরা কোট মানে কোট আমরা বাংলাতেও কোট বলবো পট পাত্র কট খাট ডিশ থালা একটু বড় নট প্লেট চেয়ার আমরা বাংলাতে কে দ্বারা বলি তবে আমরা চেয়ারও বলি আলমিরা আলমারি তোমাদের বাসায় আছে না আমরা বলি না স্টিলের আলমারি হ্যাঁ কাঠের আলমারি আমরা সব কিছু গুছিয়ে সাজিয়ে রাখি তাই না My dear students, here the words are again. Coat, pot, cot, dish. Hair coat. দেখো ছবির সাথে মিলিয়ে নাও দেখেছো This is a picture of coat. It is a coat. Pot. It's a pot. Cot. It's a beautiful cot. Dish. It's a dish. So, coat, pot, cot, ডিশ আমরা এবার দেখলে কি চিনতে পারবো না বলতে পারবো না অবশ্যই পারবো মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস চলো একটু মজা করি না Here are some pictures and you have learned in time. You can tell the name of these pictures. Yes, yes, I know you can tell it. It's a pot. It's a cot. It's a pot. It's a dish. It's a chair. It's a almirah. And it's a coat. দেখি তো আমাদের ভুল হলো কিনা একটু মিলিয়ে নি Yes, it's a dish. It's a cot. It's a pot. It's a coat. It's an almirah. And it's a chair. My dear students, আমরা কিন্তু একটা রুমে একটা কক্ষে কি কি জিনিসপত্র থাকে আমরা অনেকগুলো জিনিসের নাম শিখে ফেললাম, তাই না? এগুলো আমাদের দৈনন্দিন জীবনে ব্যবহৃত হয়, আমরা এগুলো বাড়িতে সব সময় ব্যবহার করি, কি তাই তো? আমি আগেও বলেছি, ইন ইউর হোম ইউ হ্যাভ মেনি রুমস and there are many things in your home. Different rooms have different things. বেডরুমে যেমন বেড, কট থাকে, ডাইনিং রুমে ডাইনিং টেবিল, চেয়ার থাকে, কিচেনের রুমে রান্নার যাবতীয় জিনিসপত্র থাকে। তো আমার ছোট্ট সোনামণিরা, আমি তোমাদের একটা হোম টাস্ক দিয়ে দিচ্ছি। Tell two names which you see in your bedroom. তুমি তোমার বাড়িতে তোমার শোবার কক্ষে কি কি আছে এরকম দুটি জিনিসের নাম বলতে, নাম জেনে আসবে, আমি শুনবো, ঠিক আছে? আমাকে কিন্তু বলতে হবে আগামী ক্লাসে। So the home task is tell two names which you see in your bedroom. Which things are kept in your bedroom? ওকে আমার ছোট্ট সোনামণিরা, খুব ভালো লাগলো তোমাদের এভাবে ক্লাস নিতে পেরে। তোমরা বাড়িতেই থাকো, সুস্থ থাকবে এবং মা বাবার কথা শুনবে। যেহেতু সিজনটা চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে, তাই নিজেদের দিকে, শরীরের দিকে বেশি করে খেয়াল রাখবে। আর কি করবে? ক্লাসগুলো বেশি বেশি দেখবে, তাই না? তোমরা অনেক উপকৃত হবে। ওকে ছোট্ট সোনামণিরা, no more today. Thank you all. Goodbye.